When clarity and focus are paramount, the BenQ RD series programming monitors stand out. With our exclusive Nano Matte Panel, distractions are minimized. The anti-glare, anti-reflective surface is designed to minimize distractions, ensure a focused state, and provide ultimate eye comfort for every coding session. Adapt your coding environment for the best experience with ease using coding mode, offering both dark and light themes, ensuring crystal clear fonts and improved code differentiation, reducing eye strain during prolonged use. Illuminate your workspace with the Moon Halo backlight. Tailor the lighting to suit your mood or task, and appreciate the eye comfort provided when coding in a dark environment. BenQ's eye care technology offers industry-leading protection, while night hours protection helps reduce eye strain during late-night coding. The Brightness Intelligence Plus technology aligns your screen's color temperature and brightness with your natural rhythm, ensuring worry-free eye comfort. Illuminate your logic and ship code with perfect focus. Focus, see clearly, code perfectly. The BenQ RD Series Programming Monitor. Display clarity powers programming. BenQ, because it matters.